Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit, my host on Click Digest, and this is the Redmi Earbuds S, the latest true wireless earphone product from the house of Xiaomi, and these are under Redmi brand. We have shown you the Mi TWS2 very recently, and those are slightly on the premium end and they cost around 4,500, and they are around 2,000 rupees much cheaper than the Mi TWS. This is the Redmi Earbud S. This is more of a mass market product and priced more competitively, and comes with comparatively less premium design and less features, but nevertheless it's quite a good bang for the buck at the price for which Xiaomi has launched it. I'm gonna unbox this, give you a quick overview unboxing experience, as well as going to do a sound test and tell you about the music experience of these earphones. These are the Redmi Earbud S, and these are different from the Air Dots. This is the newer generation, and the ones which are launching in India, which are the Indian retail unit, they are slightly different when it comes to sound stage compared to the ones that are sold in China. These are IPX4 sweat and splash proof, so if some water drops on it, it's fine, it's not gonna be spoiled with the sweat. It gets you 12 hours of playback time. That's with the repeated charging that's provided with the case. If you use it on the go, in a straight go, you will get around 4 hours. And then it works with voice assistant, so it will support Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa, or other voice assistant which you have by default set to trigger when you launch voice assistant on your phone. So without further ado, let's get into the box and show you what's inside. We have already unboxed the previous generation Chinese version, the Air Dots, but these are the Earbuds S, or the Air Dots S as they call it internationally. And let me quickly show you the box contents here. A slightly weird box design. The contents are actually very less compared to the size of the box. They have this empty padding in the box. Nevertheless, probably just to make it look more attractive, but in reality they are quite tiny and they could have gone with a smaller packaging. But nevertheless, this is how it is packed. There is a plastic film which tells you that there is some protective film on the earbuds that you need to remove before start using them. And once you remove this, this is the case in which it comes with the Redmi branding here, as you can see, and some information on the bottom. It comes with the Bluetooth 5. It also mentioned the voltages, input current, etc. And notice that there is no cable bundled here, and it comes with a micro USB charging port and not with a type C. Apart from that, you get extra ear tips, which are small and large. The mediums were uninstalled. And then you get this set of instruction guide or a user manual which has been bundled with these earphones. And now let's just open this, and here you have the Earbuds S. Let me take them out, and as you can see, there is this protective plastic. So I'm just gonna remove this, and here as well I'm gonna remove this as well. There are two more layers of protective plastics, these red or orange ones that you need to remove. These cover the charging tips of these earphones so that they don't get discharged while in transit, or they don't start discharging or charging while they are still in transit when they are brand new. You are supposed to remove them when you use it for the first time. So this is how you remove it. I put them back after removing the plastic, and as you can see, they are now charging. There is some charge left in the case, and to pair them you have to take them both out of the case, and once you take them out, they will start blinking like this, and they will connect with each other. And once they connect with each other, you can just go to your phone, and on your phone you can search for the Earbuds S and connect it under the Bluetooth pairing setting. So let me quickly do that. So I can see Redmi Earbuds S here, and it says pairing, and it is connected. It was as simple as that. It is also showing me the battery percentage, which is 70%. Now let me quickly have some audio test and get back with the audio details. So we are back after a quick sound test, and I can tell you that considering the price of these, I am quite impressed by the sound. I have heard some heavy bass sound on this. They are pretty loud, even at the full volume. They are not crackling. There is no distortion of sound, but sort of there is some bass heaviness in there. It is probably the people, the folks at Xiaomi are trying to make it more pleasant for Indian ears, and Indian ears would definitely love them because of the high bass and high volume. One good thing about this is that it's a very nice and snug fit. The shape of it is such that once you put it in the ear canal and push it slightly backward, it rests very nicely and it does not fall. So even if you go running, it is fine. They both have a clickable button which comes with multifunction. So let me quickly show you. Once you click it, it starts playing music. You click it again, it stops playing music. And these are physical click buttons, as you can see. And you can double tap it to launch the Google Assistant or Siri on your phone. And you can triple tap it to launch the gaming mode, which turns on the low latency. I believe that it probably consumes more battery or somehow compromises on the sound quality, which is why they have not made it default. So it's not default mode. And when it comes to microphones, you can see the tiny microphones hole here. One is on this side, this small little nudge on the surface, and one on this side. So it has two microphones, unlike the Mi TWS, which has four microphones for noise cancellation. These do not have active noise cancellation. They have noise isolation, and they are pretty good at noise isolation. You're paying half the price compared to the Mi TWS for these, so I would not expect the same feature set, but they are pretty good when it comes to sound quality, and they sound really nice and loud. The clarity is good. The instrument separation could have been better, but I would not complain so much because those sort of features you get probably for earbuds in the earbuds that are twice or maybe more than that of the price of this. And they are pretty light and very compact, and you can use one of them in the ear and put the other one in the case, and the other one is disconnected automatically as soon as you put it in the case. So you can use it in mono, or you can use it in stereo. You can use either of these. Say you are running low on charge and you have to just do some voice calling, you can put one in the case that can charge and the other one can still be usable, and you take out the other one when it is charged and put the first one back. This way you can easily charge them both, and it's very convenient to use, easy to use, and very no nonsense gadget. Good price, good value for money. If you want to buy one for yourself, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section. When I say buy one, I mean buy one pair for yourself. You don't get either left or right, you buy it in pair. This is all we have in this quick overview video, our impressions of the Redmi Earbuds S. I am impressed. What are your thoughts? What are your views? Let us know in the comment section. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching the video, and subscribe to our channel for latest video updates. Make sure you press the bell icon for latest video updates. This is all we have on this one. Stay subscribed. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.